Hello, class. Okay, so we're going to download an app called Screencastify. It's actually an extension, a Chrome extension. So what we're going to do first is, as a class, I want you to go to screencastify.com, www.screencastify.com, up here in the upper right-hand corner. Screencastify.com. Okay, once you get to screencastify.com, you're going to go down and you're going to find all this here. You're going to choose Add to Chrome. Now, I can't do that because I've already done it. See, if I click on Add to Chrome, it says it's already installed. Use the extension icon. So it's going to ask you to do a few things to install Screencastify onto your Chromebook. Go ahead and do that. It's a free extension and it's open, so that means that you can do it. You're not going to get in trouble or anything like that. Once you get it all downloaded, you're going to see in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, you're going to see this little arrow. That's the Screencastify logo. So when it comes around to deciding that you're going to screencast something, you're going to go ahead and click on that arrow, and it's going to open up this. You're going to get Screencastify Lite. It gives you 50 different screencastings that you can do in a month, which is going to be plenty of what you need to do. So you don't have to do the actual paid version. But you want to enable your microphone and embed your webcam. Now, if you embed your webcam and you choose Browser tab, let's say I'm going to show you how to record. So I'm going to click Record. Screencastify is going to pop up, and then down in the bottom right-hand corner, it's got me screencasting this little thing here. I can change that so that I'm flipped. I can make it large, or I can make it completely disappear, and then it's not on the corner there. For this screencasting, I don't want you to have yourself on webcam, so when you go ahead and record and you press that, you start recording, you can clear out that webcam before you begin to record. It's going to give you a 3, 2, 1 before you start recording, but I wanted to make sure that we got that taken care of. When you're done recording, you can go up to the upper right-hand corner, click on that icon again, and then stop it. And then it's going to show you what you have recorded. I'm going to stop this right now so it doesn't record over me. And then you can do a number of different things. You can share via Google Drive and get the link, and then you can share with me. So you're going to get the link like this when you're done with your screen recording. You're going to copy that link, and then you'll be able to put that link in an email. You can also put it on YouTube as well, so that people can watch your video on YouTube. Okay, so that's the Screencastify app. You'll notice when you go into your drive then from now on, you've got Screencastify recordings will be a folder in your drive. Let me go in there. For me, it's the first folder right now because I'm arranged by last modify, and so inside your folder you can access any of your screencasts that you've already done. You can also go into Screencastify in general, and you can, if you click on that button again, you can access over here my recordings, and then you've got all your recordings lined up on Screencastify here as well. And here's where you can throw those recordings away. I'm going to throw away the one that I just recorded. Or you can keep them, where I've got the last 2 screen recordings that I did. Now, Screencastify only gives you 50 recordings in a month and only 10 minutes to do your recording, which shouldn't be a problem for this recording, because I want you to try to get it in under 10 minutes. I hope then that you have any questions. You can save them for tomorrow, but make sure you have Screencastify as an extension downloaded onto Chrome for yourself.